Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix microphone not working on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, first of all, just check the microphone on your iPhone and check if it is blocked by any dust or debris. After you do that, then open Settings and tap on Privacy and Security. From here, just tap on Microphone. Now, if microphone is not working on a specific app, just enable the toggle for the app for which you want to use the microphone. Now, if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, for the next step, you will need the password of the parental controls on your iPhone. Once you get the password of the parental controls, then go back. Now, in the main settings page, just tap on Screen Time. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And from here, just tap on Microphone. Now just select Allow Changes. Now if you have selected Allow Changes and if this option is still grayed out, just go back. Then tap on Microphone. And from here, just make sure you enable the toggle for the apps for which you want to use the microphone. Or you can go back. And from here, you can disable content and privacy restrictions on your iPhone. And by doing that, you will disable all the parental controls on your iPhone. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open Settings, then tap on General. After that, just tap on Software Update, and from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then go back, and in General, you will find the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on Reset. And from this list, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your PIN and select Reset All Settings. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings on your iPhone. And this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings of your iPhone. Now, if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the microphone not working issue on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.